Have you heard that car insurance can be very affordable now? Today I will tell you about 10 cars with the cheapest insurance rates. And the most affordable one will be at the end. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start with Vauxhall Mocha, which has an annual insurance cost with £690. The Vauxhall Mocha is a compact SUV with a modern design, making it ideal for city driving, daily commutes such as work or school, as well as comfortable for trips beyond the city. Next up is Audi Q2 with an insurance cost of £688. The Audi Q2 is a compact yet stylish SUV, a premium interior, modern technology, dynamic performance and smooth handling. All of this defines the Audi Q2. It's easy to drive and handles rough road and sharp turns effortlessly. Coming in at number 8 is Kia Sportage with an insurance cost of £680. It's a spacious and reliable car, great for both city driving and long roads. The trunk isn't the biggest, but if you're planning a shopping trip or need to stock up at shopping groceries, don't worry, there is plenty of space. Even suitcases will fit, unless of course you are packing your wardrobe. At number 7 we have Hyundai i10 with an insurance cost of £677. The Hyundai i10 is a perfect city car, small, agile and ridiculously easy to park, and doesn't require much money for maintenance. Of course there are more exciting models, but the i10 is a great option for inexperienced drivers who might be nervous behind the wheel at first. Next one is a Hyundai Tucson with an insurance cost of £676. The Hyundai Tucson is a practical SUV. It has a spacious trunk, which means you can go on a trip with a large group and fit an entire wardrobe, plus anything else that fits. Its mild hybrid engine makes it more fuel efficient than standard petrol version. Taking 5th place is a Peugeot 2008 with an insurance cost of £676. The Peugeot 2008 is a versatile car that works well for both city driving and long-distance trips. It's spacious and comfortable, especially for taller passengers like me. The high quality and roomy interior makes it a great choice for families. We are getting closer to the top 3, but for now, in the 4th place, we have the Mini Cooper with an insurance cost of £662. The Mini Cooper is a stylish city car that you often see on the streets of England. It handles corners effortlessly. It's perfect for navigating city small streets. The trunk is small but practical enough. Now finally, the 3rd place. It is Volkswagen T-Roc with an insurance cost of £627, a significant drop compared to the previous cars. The Volkswagen T-Roc is a spacious and comfortable vehicle. Thanks to its stylish design, it suits a variety of drivers. It has confident road handling and smooth ride. It's also a great choice for families, as the interior is very roomy. Taking 2nd place is the Fiat 500 with an insurance cost of £618. The Fiat 500 is a compact city car with a stylish retro design. Its downside is its small trunk, but it makes up for that with low fuel consumption and easy handling. It's incredibly easy to park, and driving it in the city always feels light and enjoyable. And finally, the car with the cheapest insurance is Ford Puma with the cost of £538. This is a perfect deal for a car like this. The Ford Puma is a small yet stylish SUV. It performs well both in a city and beyond, so you can easily take it for short trips. There are several versions with different equipment for this model, and 1.0-liter mild hybrid electronic vehicle makes it both fast and fuel efficient. What do you think about this list? Let me know in the comments. The car you choose really affects your insurance costs. But right now there are plenty of options to get affordable coverage for a good car. It's important to remember that when you're choosing a vehicle, you should consider not only the insurance costs, but also your personal preferences, lifestyle and driving needs to ensure maximum comfort for yourself and the passengers. Leave a like on this video and subscribe if you want to stay up to date.